The three-domain system is a new classification system developed through the work of Carl Woese in the 1970s. For the exam, you don't need to know the date of Carl Woese's work, just that he developed the new classification system. It has been developed through our increased understanding of the biochemistry of cells and how they reproduce. So how exactly is the three-domain system arranged? The system involves classifying organisms into three domains. This diagram shows an evolutionary tree. At the bottom of the tree is the most recent common ancestor of all life on Earth. At the end of this branch, we have the domain Archaea. At the end of this branch, we have bacteria. And at the end of this branch, we have the Eukaryota. These are the three domains. After domains, organisms are then classified into kingdoms. So, what are the Archaea? The domain Archaea is composed of primitive bacteria. Primitive bacteria refers to bacteria that evolved very early on. For the exam, you don't need to define this, just use the term primitive bacteria. The domain Archaea only contains one kingdom, Archaea bacteria, which include extremophiles. Extremophiles are organisms that survive in extreme conditions, for example, extreme temperatures and pH. What is the domain bacteria composed of? The domain bacteria is composed of true bacteria and also only contains one kingdom, Eubacteria. The kingdom Eubacteria includes bacteria referred to as true bacteria. You just need to know this term for the exam and not define it, but it refers to bacteria that evolved more recently and contain some unused DNA. Finally, what about Eukaryota? The domain Eukaryota is composed of organisms with a cell nucleus. Eukaryota is the domain composed of four kingdoms: plants, animals, protists, and fungi. For the exam, you need to be familiar with the features of each of these kingdoms, and these are covered elsewhere in the course.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!